If you're wondering, do the AirPods connect with an Android device? Yes, they do. And no, I'm not talking about just the AirPods Max, but the AirPods Pro and AirPods in general. You can connect AirPods to any Android device or maybe some tablet via Bluetooth standard, but it comes with few limitations. So first, let's have a look at how to connect these two things, and then later, let's have a look at what all features will you miss. To pair any model of AirPods with Android, open the Bluetooth settings of your phone. While AirPods are placed inside the case, long press on the setup button of the case until the LED starts flashing white light. Now tap on AirPods from the list. Now tap pair. If you want, you can give AirPods access to your contacts and call history, and this is how you can connect your Apple AirPods to your Android device. And last time I checked, Android wasn't part of Apple ecosystem. Hence, even though these two devices will be connected, but still you won't be able to use the features that makes AirPods the most selling wireless earphones on the planet. Firstly, battery checking. Yes, you won't be able to check the battery percentage on your AirPods if you're connected to Android. But there is a workaround for that. Install Air Battery on Android from the Play Store, and this will help you to do so. There are some ads in the applications here and there, but it will get the job done for free. Another great AirPods Pro feature that will have issues when you will connect it to Android is active noise cancellation. But the good thing is that you can still use gestures to enable or disable active noise cancellation. And similarly, on the AirPods Max, you can press the dedicated ANC button to enable or disable the ANC. But like I just told you, Android is not meant to be part of Apple ecosystem, which is why most of the features of AirPods like ear tip fit test and automatic ear detection won't be available to you if you would connect it to Android. Check out the description to see what all features won't be available. So that is it for this one. Do give this video a huge thumbs up if you have helped you to connect your AirPods to your Android device. If you like to stay updated with everything Apple, then make sure you download the iGeeks blog app from the App Store. This is me here signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.